I'm Robin Clevitt. Welcome to the 101 uses of a multi-tool on tour. I'm in a bathroom. It's a bathroom that we're renovating, and if you do any kind of work like this, you know that when you unpeel the skins back and you take the tiles off, you get back to the plaster, you find all kinds of things. Now I have got pipes hidden in the walls which need to come out, or at least the bits that I can see, because we want to make the walls nice and flat, and for that I'm going to use a 35mm metal buster blade. It's the perfect solution because it's carbide tipped. So by using the 35mm metal buster, it's carbide tipped. It's absolutely perfect for taking out these things like copper pipes and that sort of stuff. All I've got to do now is simply fill the wall and get it finished off. Thanks so much for joining me on this edition of 101 uses of a multi-tool on tour. I'm Robin Clevitt. See you next time.